Okay guys, our next topic is conditions necessary for combustion. That means ki which types of the conditions are required for the combustion. So there are three types of the conditions. First condition is presence of combustible substances. Second is presence of supporter of combustion. Third one, attainment of ignition temperature. So let's discuss first one. So it is says that कि presence of combustible substances, that means कि जो भी substance we are going to burn that should be present, right? And combustible substances should be over there. Suppose कि I want to burn wood, so wood should be here, right? Each and everything can't burn. If I say I want to burn iron, so iron will not be burned. So whatever substance we want to burn, it should be present first. That means कि combustible substances should be present, not non-combustible substances, right? Okay. Now second one is presence of a supporter of combustion. Okay guys, it's very clear about that कि what is the supporter? Supporter, that means कि air or oxygen, right? Anything you want to burn, for that oxygen is required. Without the presence of oxygen, that means कि in the absence of oxygen, no one substance can burn, right? No one combustible substances can burn. That means कि oxygen is supporter. That means कि supporter, as a supporter, oxygen will be required, right? Okay guys, here third one is attainment of ignition temperature. So what is the ignition temperature? तो ignition temperature that means कि कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट को जलने के लिए एक फिक्स टेम्परेचर चाहिए, उस टेम्परेचर से ऊपर जाने के बाद ही that substances can be burned, right? As for example, if I say I have one bowl of boiled water, right? So water can be boiled by only 100 degree, right? And after the 100 degree starts to evaporate, not below the 100 degree. So when the temperature of this water will be 100 degree or more than 100 degree, by that time the water will be evaporated, right? In the same way, suppose I have wooden block, so wooden block का ignition temperature, suppose wooden block का ignition temperature is 300 degree Celsius. So when it will burn? So when we give the ignition temperature, starting temperature, right? So by this temperature, when ignition temperature will be 300 degrees Celsius, only by that time the wooden block will be burned. So let's see what is the definition of ignition temperature. So the temperature at which the particular substance burns in the presence of air, this is called as the ignition temperature, right? And below the ignition temperature of substance, that substance will not be burned. So we need to give the ignition temperature, minimum ignition temperature, या तो more than ignition temperature, right? Because below ignition temperature no one substance can burn. And for the different types of the substances have different types of the different values of the ignition temperature. Okay guys, now substances such as alcohol, petrol, diesel, nylon catch fire very quickly. Why? Because their ignition temperature is very low. This ignition temperature of this alcohol, petrol, LPG, kerosene, their ignition temperature is very low. If we discuss about the gas, so gas का ignition temperature is also very low, right? Is less than alcohol, petrol, right? Okay. Now, and these types of the substances are called as inflammable. See, these types of substances are called as inflammable substances. Because why? They ignite, they burn easily, they catch fire very easily and quickly. That's why they are called as inflammable. Suppose कि here there is a leakage of LPG gas cylinder, it catch fire very easily, right? If there is distance between fire and this LPG gas, that means gas which is going releases, right? So what happens? It gets fire easily and it will burn. So there is special care. That's why this LPG car cylinder is an this has been stored and transported in a very careful manner, right?